Welcome. Now we will loop through the items that we received in our items array of our class. So let's go to items and say star ng for. So this is the directive we have to use for looping elements in Angular. So let's create a variable called let item of items. And remember this items is actually this variable exactly with the same name and spelling. This can be of any name, it's a local variable. And now when we will loop, we will have the first column. Let's do interpolation. Interpolation means putting our variable in the double curly braces so that it gets passed as expression. So we have here dot title alt shift down arrow dot description. It's a small d, and this is we also need an action column that we have here where we will create a button first, or we can say let's say an anchor tag, and here we will have a router link which will navigate us to so what we will do is we will navigate to, because this one we want to show the details, let's say. So we need to provide the URL of the details, that is this one. So in here we will break the whole URL into three parts. The first part is this items, comma. So we'll put a slash here. Then we'll have the second part, and then the third part, which is like details. So we'll say third part is details. And the second part will be item dot underscore id. Let's press alt shift down arrow. Same way we will have to do for edit. And in the edit, this will be edit. Let's quickly check details and edit, correct. And we will basically have a button for deletion. So we'll have the button that will say delete, and this button will have an event handler which we will write later, but for now we can say class btn space btn hyphen outline hyphen danger mx1. We can also give this class to other components, but let's see how it looks. Yeah, so let's style our buttons, or sorry, the anchor text. What we will do is we will make the top one, which is the create, that one we can make primary. It's just choice of colors. You can have any styling. And this one we can say info, and this one is success. Does not matter. Let's check now. Yeah, this looks better. And if you can see, we already are getting the data from the backend API. This is coming from the backend API. If I click on detail, we see the ID is getting passed properly. Here, the different ID is getting passed. If we click on edit, also the ID is getting passed here as well. So this is working as expected. So we are done with the items overview screen. Thank you.